right, I just shredded up 1 package of my classic imitation crab meat. And I went ahead and cooked up 1 pound of penne pasta. This is all going into my crock pot. Just give it a little toss real quick. But we have to add some butter. So this is half a stick or 4 tablespoons of salted butter that I just sliced up that I'm adding right in there. And this pasta is still nice and hot because I just cooked it. So you want to go ahead and give that a little mix. And since that pasta is still nice and hot, it'll melt up that delicious butter. All right, it's okay if it doesn't get fully melted because we are gonna cook this in the crock pot. Now I have 1 can of evaporated milk that I'm gonna add in here as well. This is gonna help make it super creamy and moist. And now I've got some shredded sharp cheddar cheese. This is a 4-cup bag. We need a lot of cheese for this recipe, okay? We want about 3 cups of cheese. So we're gonna add most of that bag in there. And then this is gonna help make it even more creamy. I'm gonna add some half and half. This is a 16-ounce bottle, so I'm gonna add half of this because we want about 1 cup of half and half. I'm just eyeballing it, but you could measure it out if you like. And I'm also gonna add some French fried onions. Just measure with your heart. It doesn't really matter. Whatever looks good to you. I think that looks good for now. And we'll take back our spatula. Give everything a good mix in here. We are making such an easy and delicious dinner in the crock pot. If you don't want to turn your oven on in the summer to make a pasta dish or whatever casserole you might want to make, you totally need to make this one because it just goes in the crock pot, doesn't heat up your house or anything like that when it's so hot outside, and you can just set it and forget it. That is why I love crock pot recipes. But if you do not want to wait, you can totally just go ahead and do this in your oven. This is for people that are looking for an easy and yummy crock pot dinner, okay? Now get that nice and mixed. We're almost there. It's gonna be so good, you guys. You gotta trust me on this one. If you don't like imitation crab, you can go for the real stuff, the more expensive stuff. I love imitation crab. I don't mind using it, and I'm not gonna judge you if you use it. Okay, and once you get that nice and mixed up, everything's looking evenly distributed, just clean up your edges a little bit, and you are ready to pop the lid on this bad boy, and you can cook it on low for 4 hours or high for 2. All right, guys, so this was cooking for just a little under 2 hours in the crock pot. I gave it a mix halfway through because I didn't want those edges to burn. So we got this all mixed up. Let's kind of flatten it out a little bit. I will be honest with you guys, I do think that low and slow would have been better for this one, 4 hours on low, but I was really in a hurry and I wanted dinner. So now, to make it look a little better, I'm gonna bring back that sharp cheddar cheese, and we're just gonna put a nice layer of this all over the top, and then we're just gonna pop the lid back on, and we're gonna have this on low until the cheese melts. All right, so it took less than 10 minutes to melt that cheese, and doesn't that just look so much better, David?
Oh yeah.
With that cheese on there.
It does.
Oh, okay, now we're gonna make it even more delicious, and we're gonna add some more of these crispy fried onions on top. Not too many, just a nice little sprinkle on top for a little extra crunch factor. And then, you don't have to do this, you don't even have to add the onions, you don't have to do the cheese melted on top if you don't like to, but I'm doing all the things that I can, okay? So I'm gonna add a little bit of chopped fresh parsley on top too, just to make it look even more appetizing. And now it is time to dig in. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's get right in there. Oh. Oh, look at that. That is gonna taste really good. All right, and let's give this a try. I love that imitation crab and the cheesiness of this. It's really good.